I was riding past this store here and I saw all these people just rummaging around and stuff. The store is called Value Village, and the store is closing in a few minutes, and I guess somebody's moving and they just dumped all this stuff here. And all the people are just picking out and taking whatever they want, because the people who are supposed to be operating the door just seem to have given up. They just seem overwhelmed, like the door is completely closed. So this is incredible. So many things here that are in perfectly good shape. It's got the containers here, all kinds of games that are here. There's a lamp, a piano of some sort. If you know anybody who has just one foot, I got the perfect shoe for you, unless they only have a right foot, in which case, nope, it's not going to work out. There's like a extra large jean jacket here. Extra large. It doesn't look too extra large to me, but it looks in perfect shape. There's even a unicorn here for all you religious people who believe that God exists and Santa exists. Well, now you have proof that unicorns exist too. Here's something that is called corn holders. So if you need help holding your corn, there you go. Corn holders. Then there's this thing here that you can use to grind up different kinds of seeds, but I don't know where the big spoon is for it. But it's very heavy. And there's this fancy pot. I don't know what it's made out of. Some kind of copper, I guess. Who knows? Maybe it's even real gold. We wouldn't know. And there's this cute little dress.
That is cute. Good find.
Isn't that cute? Looks brand new, eh? Very nice. I like the little pattern.
Not the vegan teacher.
Hey, how's it going?
So glad you're vegan.
I'm glad you're vegan too. What are the odds that he's telling the truth? I don't know. Okay, all right, so this guy does work here. That's awesome. And he doesn't want his his picture taken. But he was just saying how, I mean, he was filming me just 2 seconds ago. It's funny how when people film me, but as soon as I start to film them, they get scared. But yeah, he says he works here and that it's closed and that everybody can just take whatever. So everybody's having a lot of fun. Here's a nice bag. Seems in really good shape. This is not real leather, so that would be something that's vegan. Look at that. What's this? This is a shirt. That's a cute little shirt. Got a hood there. And if you're pregnant, there's some jeans here. Have this big extra belly thing here on them. That's cool.
Ready?
Alright, so these guys came up to me and they said they want to have a picture.
Yeah.
So this is a little video. So what brings you guys here?
We want to go shopping. Yeah.
But it's closed, eh? So
It's closed?
yeah, it's actually closed, and that's why everything's out here. They just, I guess somebody brought stuff at the last minute, so everybody's just taking stuff that's free.
Yeah.
If you need anything, here's a puzzle.
Puzzle?
Mhm.
How much does it cost?
I have no idea. I think everybody just taking stuff because I guess it's going to be left here overnight in the hopefully it won't rain.
All right, Luke, take the picture.
All right, yeah, you can have a picture.
All right.
The only thing is you got to make sure you don't eat any meat from now on.
Yes,
Yeah,
of course.
sure. Hey, Mr.
Not me though, not me.
Yeah, you film me, but I can't film you.
Yeah, basically.
Doesn't work that way, bud. All right, hey guys.
All right.
So, that's your buddy there?
Wait a second. Is she the YouTuber? Yeah.
Hi.
Holy shit!
How
She's
are
a
you?
vegan teacher.
I've seen you online, but I didn't even know you lived in Montreal.
Well, I live in Italy. I'm just here.
Really?
Yeah, I just was going by and I saw this.
What brings you all the way over here?
Well,
Hi there.
hi, I'm just making a little video about the kind of stuff that people throw out.
Yeah, I was just going through stuff. I was like, yo, this is what's going on. But
Yeah, I just saw all these people digging through
Vegan
stuff,
teacher.
and people said everybody's taking stuff that's free because it's closed. What do you got?
I found some video games for my collection, honestly.
Oh, let me see. Why don't you show me? Astrology.
So we got, I don't even know what this is.
Okay, I don't know
Dage
that.
jar. Got some dinosaur
Oh, I
game.
just realized it's going to be backwards on TikTok. But anyway,
Speed
I'll turn the
racer.
camera around. One sec.
That's really cool. Mind if I get a picture with you?
Hey, guys.
May I?
You leaving?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for popping by.
I got my picture.
Oh, okay. Well, you can take it if you want. Hold on. All right, so this guy wants to take my picture at the same time, but I was really happy with him. Okay, you want to take it? 3,
Thank you.
2, 1. So he says that he actually watched Earthlings, which is amazing. And
Watched
he
it
said was
years
brutal.
ago. It is
Yeah.
brutal.
I want you to watch it again. Okay?
I was able to handle vegetarianism. Let's see if I can hop into that.
Look, I'm almost 60, and if I can do it, you can do it. You know, we
Fair
don't want to
enough.
hurt the animals. You gotta watch it again, man. You're gonna
Fair
feel
enough.
get your heart for the animals. Always trying, you know. Gotta keep
Have
trying.
a great one, eh?
We got some mugs in here. Got a fancy sort of a wine glass here. All right, something vegan. Got some cherries. Maybe that's an orange or some kind of a peach. Some strawberries. There's a curtain. Some kind of pants. All right, here's some sort of a scarf. And look at this mirror. Look at that, in perfect condition. I have the exact same one in my kitchen. I think it's the exact same. No, mine's a little bit shorter, but very similar. Here's a book, Women Men Love, What Makes Him Want to Commit? Women, Men Leave. Interesting. And this one, Helping Your Hyperactive ADD Child. That's good. Hope that doesn't end up in the garbage. Hopefully somebody will come and take that. Here's a hat, but it's all acrylic and polyester, so there's no real fur. That's nice. Here's an ice cube tray, pretty big ice cubes, and you just like pop them out like that. That's neat. Okay, here is a red pepper with some writing on it. So that could be a prop in a video. And an onion. Here's a puzzle. I don't know if it's all intact or not. This one looks pretty good. Look at that. Ah! Oh no! Let's pick that up. Here's a piece of wood that says mixed frozen vegetables, green beans, carrots, and corn, all organic. It's just literally just a block. So I guess that's a toy. This looks like propaganda to me. Farm world. Sad. There should be no such thing as farm animals. There should just be animals in the wild. Not bred for humans to exploit, to eat, and to ride, to rip their skin off.